I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by securing the essentials: a registered business, tax ID, and a dedicated bank account so billing is clean. Once done, register or verify your domain and decide target margins and support levels. Make sure to document your service level agreement. Contact a Google-authorized distributor or enroll in the Partner Advantage program to begin onboarding. This step initiates account provisioning and reseller tokens, so move quickly. Delays here slow the entire process. Next, obtain reseller tokens and configure your partner console. This is how you provision customers and attach licenses. Complete required Google training and certify at least one salesperson and one technical admin so you can both sell and support effectively. Integrate billing APIs and automate provisioning flows into your PSA or RMM system to reduce manual errors. Once these pieces work together, you'll accelerate onboarding and improve margins. So test with a pilot customer. Finally, run a pilot, refine your onboarding script, and measure churn and average revenue per user. These numbers guide scaling decisions. Once repeatable, deploy marketing assets, channel incentives, and hire support staff to maintain SLAs. Make sure to document provisioning runbooks so new hires follow the same process. If something goes wrong during provisioning, start troubleshooting tokens, API quotas, and domain verification. These are the most common failure points and usually fix the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.